During recent months, Maulana Hazar Imam undertook a series of meaningful visits across different regions of the world. These journeys were not limited to one country or one community. Instead, they reflected a global connection, bringing together Jamaats from Africa, Central Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and North America under one shared bond of faith, love, and unity. In each place, the visits carried a unique local character, yet the spirit remained the same: guidance, compassion, and a deep spiritual connection between the Imam and his murids worldwide. The journey began in Nairobi, Kenya, where Maulana Hazar Imam arrived at the invitation of the President of Kenya. He was warmly received by senior government officials, leaders of the Aga Khan Development Network, and Jamaati leadership. What made this arrival especially meaningful was the presence of Jamaats not only from Kenya but also from Botswana, Burundi, Eswatini, Namibia, Rwanda, and South Africa, all gathered together in one place. As the motorcade approached Nairobi Darkhana, members of the Jamaat lined the streets with joyful anticipation. Weeks of preparation by volunteers reflected the collective dedication to making this visit both smooth and spiritually uplifting. At Nairobi Darkhana, Maulana Hazar Imam granted Deedar to the Jamaats of the entire Kenya jurisdiction.
हाज़िर इमाम को हमारा सलाम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आली मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आली मुहम्मद।
He conveyed guidance for the worldwide Ismaili community, expressed appreciation for volunteers, and reminded the Jamaat of his deep affection for them. A separate mulaqat with youth highlighted the importance of future generation. The Jamaat also presented a historic manuscript of the Quran from East Africa, symbolizing the region's rich Islamic heritage. An art installation titled Bustane-Noor, inspired by the national plants of each country in the jurisdiction, reflected unity, environmental care, and devotion. From Kenya, the journey continued to Uganda. Upon arrival in Entebbe, Maulana Hazar Imam was received by the President of Uganda and senior leaders. The visit highlighted the long-standing partnership between Uganda and the Ismaili Imamate, focusing on shared priorities such as education, health, and development. In Kampala, the Darkhana became the setting for a historic Deedar.
आले रसूल नूरे मुहम्मद हाज़िर इमाम को हमारा सलाम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आली मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आली मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व
Maulana Hazar Imam offered guidance and blessings, thanking volunteers and reaffirming his love for the Jamaat. A youth mulaqat later emphasized responsibility, service, and unity. The Ugandan Jamaat presented two miniature paintings from an Ottoman manuscript, symbolizing spiritual continuity across centuries. An installation titled 7 Paths to the Light illustrated the diverse journeys of murids from many regions, all converging into one shared identity in Uganda. The journey then moved to Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, where Maulana Hazar Imam arrived for the Aga Khan Award for Architecture events. Here the focus was on culture, heritage, and the built environment. As chair of the Awards Steering Committee, Maulana Hazir Imam hosted international guests, reinforcing the importance of architecture in improving quality of life and preserving identity across societies. In Egypt, Maulana Hazir Imam met with President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi to discuss future collaboration in education, agriculture, climate adaptation, and cultural preservation. He also held a significant meeting with the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar, where both leaders reflected on shared values, dialogue, and cooperation to promote peace and understanding within the Muslim world and beyond. The journey continued to France, where Maulana Hazir Imam was received by President Emmanuel Macron at the Élysée Palace. Discussions focused on joint projects in education, culture, and sustainable development. Meetings with the French Foreign Minister and the Mayor of Paris further highlighted the long-standing relationship between France and the Ismaili Imamate, including plans for an Ismaili center in Paris. A major milestone followed in Houston, Texas, marking Maulana Hazir Imam's first official visit to the United States as the 50th Imam. He was welcomed by civic leaders and Jamaati representatives. The opening of the Ismaili Center Houston represented a historic moment, not only as a place of prayer, but as a space for learning, dialogue, and civic engagement. Maulana Hazir Imam granted Deedars to the Southwest and Central USA Jamaats, designated the Houston Ismaili Center as a Darkhana, and met with youth, institutional leaders, and multi-faith families.
नूरे मुहम्मद हाजिर इमाम को हमारा सलाम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद।
In Dallas, the Central USA Jamaat experienced a deeply emotional Deedar, the first ever granted in the city. A remarkable gift of historic Fatimid coins symbolized the enduring legacy of the Imamate across time and geography. The journey then returned to Europe, beginning in Lisbon, Portugal, for meetings with the Jamaats of Portugal and Spain. Maulana Hazir Imam granted Deedar, addressed youth and multi-faith families,
शुक्रानिल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। शुक्रानिल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। शुक्रानिल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
and shared important guidance, including a transformative update to the undergraduate scholarship program, making it entirely grant-based. Art installations such as Journey Home reflected unity, pluralism, and the spiritual journey of Murids, each path unique, yet all flowing toward one shared source. Across Africa, Central Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and North America, these visits carried one consistent message: unity, service, and shared responsibility. Though the cultures, languages, and locations differed, the bond between Maulana Hazir Imam and his Jamaats remained constant, rooted in love, guidance, and a shared commitment to improving the world around us.